Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are good, fine, maintaining social distancing and follow hygienic rules and not troubling your parents. I am also sure that you learn many things in our digital classes. Myself Pratibha Paul from Educate Babusai Bonde High School. Today in the class I am going to explain you subject English 2 for class 1, which includes grammar, composition, comprehension, and picture comprehension. This subject will help you to acquire basic language skill like how to speak in proper English or how to frame a sensible sentence. Right? Students, do you remember in previous class we learnt about alphabet? Yes, I know you remember. So now can you answer my few questions? Good. Students, do you know how many letters are used in English language? Good. We uses 26 letters in English language. Students, do you know we can form a word and frame a sentence by using these 26 letters. Students, without letter we can't form a word and without words we can't frame a sentence for talking to with each other in proper English. We need to know more about English grammar. Then let's learn today from our English 2 lesson number 4 words and sentences, page number 10 and 11. Before moving further, it's important to know what is a words. W O R D, word. A group or set of letters make a word. Words are made up of the 26 letters. We can make words starting with any of the 26 letters. These letters, when arranged in proper order, form a meaningful words. For example, A N T, ant. B U S, bus. C O M B, comb. D A N C E, dance. ELEPHANT, elephant. Exercise 1. Use the given letters to make meaningful words with the help of the given picture clues. Apple. A P P L E, apple. Ball. B A L L, ball. Car. C A R, car. Doll. D O L L, doll. Goat. G O A T, goat. Hat. H A T, hat. jug, J U G, jug. Kite, K I T E, kite. Very good. Now let's know about sentence. To speak, read and write, we make use of sentences. Students, do you know what is a sentence? S E N T E N C E, sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense, and a collection of words that are arranged to put forward a sensible thoughts is called sentence. What this mean is sentence is a collection of words or it is a group of words that are arranged in such a way that put forward a sensible thought. That is, they tell us something which makes sense, it is a sensible to us. So only when group of words make sense it is called sentence. Let's understand this with the help of example. A big house he lives in. These are group of words. It is not making sense, so we cannot call sentence. Now let's rearrange these words. He lives in a big house. Now, this group of words make some sense. We must remember that all sentences begin with a capital letter, but they end with a full stop, question mark, exclamation mark. Students, let's see more example which will help you to clear the concept. Rearrange these sentences. Rahul, batsman, great is a. Rahul is a great batsman. Like maths teachers, I like the maths teacher. Runs the horse fast very. The horse runs very fast. Tells us the time clock. The clock tells us the time. Mohan is brushing teeth is. Mohan is brushing his teeth. Very good. Exercise 2. The words below are jumbled. Place the words in their proper order to make sentence. Don't forget to put a full stop at the end. Table A4 has legs. A table has 4 legs. Second, horse was black a beauty. A black horse was beauty. Exercise 3. Frame sentences using the given words. The first word is apple. What is the color of an apple? Good. An apple is red color. Next word is toy. My favorite toy is teddy bear. Next word is jam. Rama likes to eat fruit jam. According to it, we can frame many sensible sentences using the words. In today's class, we learned about words and sentences. I hope you all enjoy and learn more about of words and sentences. So my dear students, Keep learning something new every day. If you like my video, so don't forget to subscribe our class channel. Thank you.